Is it true what many quantum physicists, which that Stephen Hawking did his real work while he was young? Lately, he was more just popularizing things. Is this true or it's not so simple?
I mean, there's some truth in that, but there's also truth in exactly the same statement applied to a lot of people who did not have a degenerative neuron disease. So I don't think that's special to Stephen Hawking.
He was obsessed with these hidden variables for decades, but it's till mid-20s that he did his great work, no?
Physics is a young person's game, no matter what your level of physical ability is.
That's why I hate, it's even historically wrong, this tendency to look at the old age, the last text or words by a big name, as if there is some final truth in them. It's totally wrong. Like, to amuse you with the last story, Jacques Lacan, when he was dying, had a young mistress, Catherine Millot. And she almost made a career out of being there at his side when she was dying. And he mumbled some things, and there was a big, oh my God, what did he mean with those? Well, what if it was nothing? It was just a confused rambling. And I see this even with many philosophers. A lot of them reach their greatest point in their middle ages, and then they just slowly go down.